Here is how to find sound effects for free for you to use for your next video. Filmmakers might literally hate me for this, but I'm sorry, I just have to give this value out. Number one, freesound.org. You can literally download up to 3,000 sound effects from this website. Number two, BBC Library. Unlimited sound effect on this website to use for your next video. Three, this particular website here, you are going to download the exact sound effect most of these popular content creators use on their videos. Isn't that amazing? Don't tell anyone I showed you this. And as usual, don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow for valuable content like this. And see you guys on the next one. Peace out.